'Twas the month before Christmas, and all through the rock, they're keeping you safe and protecting your block. Help calls are answered, no matter the time, and services continue long past our bedtime. It sure takes a lot to work in cold air, and we savor a spot for all town to share. As a gift to your town, we have one proposal. Help support these town services and always shop local.